Alright guys, in this video I want to show you how to get into your Unilive account. And for those of us who bought you purchase power and then you want to withdraw your earnings, let me show you around. So when you get to your Unilive, just click on Unilive, just click on it. Then when you get to Unilive, you go to down, just let me see if I can activate my brush. Okay, so just click on this, click on circle. So I click on circles, and then when you click on circle, the next thing here is to click on Planet Titan here. Click on Planet Titan, and then it will take you to your Planet Titan platform where you buy your power. So this is what it is here. When you get here, you're going to see these things. You're going to see home, you're going to see finance, and then you're going to see assets. Okay, so now if you click on assets, then you are going to see the available ticker that you have. Just look at it here. You see the available ticker that you have, you see the available USDT you have, and they will also appear here. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is to go and transfer the earnings that we're making from the mining powers. That is where you are farming the token, ticker token, and bring it to this place. So what you do is that you come here and click on finance. Click on finance. Now when you look at this particular finance right now, you can see that I have here in this total assets 333.45. all right, so now for me to be able to transfer this, before I click on this transfer button, I need to go and pay 5% to star streamers, people who are streaming live, those of them that have blue badge and yellow badge. I need to pay 5% of this ticker to them. So we have 333, okay, 0.45 times 5% of it will be 16.6. okay, so what I do is that you move out from here, just close Planet Titan and go back to Unilive, click on home, then click on live here, click on live here. Okay, so when you click on live, so when you come here, you're going to see people who are on live. Look at them. You can see all the people who are on live. Then look at people that have this badge here. Look at people that have this blue badge. You can see this yellow badge and blue badge. Okay, so just pick any one of them and then go and pay that your ticker. So let me click on this one. Let me click on this guy. So I'll just click here. So you can see that this guy is live here. And now for me to contribute, what I need to do is to come here and click on this place. All right, you want to give a gift, so I'll click on it and it will bring me here. Let's hold on and let it load. Okay, so now the thing is on gifts, so I'm going to click on ticker, right, because that's what I have. I'll click on ticker. So when you look at it, you can see that I have ticker 333.45. remember, we are going to give them 5%. So and then we have 2 here. I can give a gift of 2. give a gift of 4, give a gift of 6, I have 10, all right, then 30, 50. Now I am to give 16.6, meaning that I'm going to give 2, then 6, and then 10. And let me see if it is going to go. Once I finish this, the remaining balance here will now move from total balance in my account and go to available balance. Okay, so I'll first of all gift 2. All right, you can see it. So I'll click on it. Let's hold on for network. Okay, I don't know if it has deducted, but let me go to 4. Let me gift 4. I'll click on send. All right. Okay, you can see that this thing has reduced to 327. Oh, I'm not supposed to give 4. I gifted 4 instead of 6, 2, and okay, so let me go to 2 now, and then I'll give 2. Okay, let me click on it again. I think I'm having network problem. You can see it has deducted 2 times. It actually deducted 2 times. So, okay, let's say I have 333.45 before minus 325.45, meaning I have given out 8. All right, I've given out 8. So what I'm going to do is to give out how many again? If I give 10, that will be 18. So let me give 2 and 6, which is 16. Okay. Okay, let me just give 10. I'll click on 10, and then I'll give 10. All right, so now I have given out this particular gift right now. So I am going back to Unilive to go and so I'll cancel here, then go back to the home page, click on Circle, click on Planet Titan. Okay, so let's click on Finance again. Click on Finance. Okay, 311 is what is remaining in that tab. So let me now click on Transfer. Click on Transfer. Click on Transfer. Let me click on Transfer here. So I click on Transfer. Now this is available balance. I'll click on All. I'll click on All, and then I'll click on Confirm. Let's see, it is going to go. I'll come here and I'll click on Confirm. So now you have seen that the money is no longer in the available balance. So this is my transfer limit. Okay, so let me click on this. If I want to finally transfer this money that is remaining here, I want to transfer it to now appear in my assets, because right now, though the thing has already increased, you can see it has already increased. I used to have 1,003 something, and now it is 1,550. So that money has been transferred to my asset here. Now I have it in taker form. What I'm going to do right now is that I am going to swap it to USDT, and then be able to withdraw the money. So now I'll go here, I'll come here, and then I'll click on swap. Click on swap. Excuse me. Then I want to swap Theta to USDT. So I'm going to click on this arrow and change it. So I'll click on it and swapping Theta to USDT, and what I have is 1550.39. So let me come here, I'll enter 1550. Okay, so 1550 is equivalent to 24 USDT, right? So I'll just click on trade. Remember, there is a swapping fee of 1%. So I'll click on trade and see if it is going to go. I'll click on trade, click on confirm. So, and then it has swapped. So I'll come back to my account, click on the back arrows, and then come back. You can see that my USDT has now changed, to $37, guys. So this $37 now, if I want to withdraw it, all I need to do is to go to my Trust wallet. Go to my Trust wallet. Remember, we are working on BNB network, so I'm going to get USDT that is on Binance Smart Chain. I'll click on it, and then I'll click on receive, click on copy. Then I'll go back to this place and then click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, I'll enter the address here. Okay, fee is $1, so I'm withdrawing all. I'm withdrawing all of them. Let me see what if it is going to go now. So I'll click on confirm. Click on confirm. This a code will be sent to my email. Okay, so I'll click on get code. So let me go to my email and find that code. Let me go to my email. Okay, you can see Unilive code given on to me now. So I'll just copy it. I'll just click on copy. Then go back there. Oh my God. What really happened? This is shit. It just started afresh. Let me try again. Go to assets. Go to withdrawal. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try again. I think it's a network issue here. Let me try again. Copy my address. Let me click here. Click on receive. Click on copy. Then go back here. Enter the address. Click on all. Then click on confirm. Click on get code. I hope it is not going to start afresh again. Unilive code. Okay, let me see. Let me try this number again. 6210. Don't know if it is up to 5 minutes. So let me enter it. And then I'll click on confirm. So I think it has gone successful. So now I have successfully withdrawn my money Okay, you can see it is now 0 here. I've successfully withdrawn my money here, guys. So I will now go to my Trust wallets and wait for the money to appear here, guys. So let's hold on. Let me refresh. Keep on refreshing. Let's hold on for the money to come. I'm going to pause this video and then we'll come back to this when the money has appeared here. So that is how to withdraw your money from Unilive Planet Titan, guys, and you can see it is working. Everything is perfectly working in this place. Just earn your money in Taker, swap it to USDT, and then you withdraw your money. Now you can see that the money is already seated in my wallet. So I have successfully withdrawn the amount from Planet Titan of Unilive to my wallet. So I can just go ahead and dispose this particular USDT and then enjoy my money. So guys, it's real, it's working. You easily earn money in Taker, and then you can always swap it to USDT and withdraw your money. So it's real. Go ahead and enjoy Planet Titan. A lot of things are coming on board there. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. Thank you.